In today's video, I'll teach you how to connect Instagram account to your Facebook account. So first of all, open the Instagram application, or you can also open the Facebook application if you want. What you have to do is go to the account center. So for that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the settings and activity interface. Tap on this option account center that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the account center. Tap on this option profiles and personal details. Now you'll be able to see the profiles connected with your account over here. Tap on this option add accounts that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to add the accounts to your Instagram account. What you have to do is tap on this option add Facebook account that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to add the Facebook account. You'll be able to see the Facebook account logged in your device over here. If it is not you, tap on this option not you and log into the Facebook account that you would like to connect. After you do that, tap on this option continue. Now you'll have to finish adding your accounts. Tap on this option allow and finish adding that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your Facebook account has been added to your Instagram account. That means these accounts are now connected. So that is how you connect Instagram account to Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.